So we are at Santapod Raceway, as you can see, and we're going to drive this Vauxhall Nova, which is four-wheel drive converted, for the first time. So the plan for today is I want to iron out little faults, make sure there's nothing glaringly obvious, and make sure she drives straight, and then I might open the power up a little bit more. But initially, I just want to make sure she drives okay. I'm absolutely buzzing for this, but if I'm going to be honest, I'm also very nervous. So let's get it on the track and see what she does. So I was really nervous at this point. I was concerned it wasn't going to drive straight. I was concerned that I might break something. I was concerned the prop shaft might vibrate. But as I eased up to the line, I just had to go with it and just hope for the best. No second and fourth gear, the car was misfiring like mad, but on the positive it did drive straight, so I thought I'd go for another run straight away. So the launch was awesome, however second and fourth gear still wasn't working. It definitely wasn't a user error, and the misfire wasn't getting any better. We've done two runs. We've got a misfire under full boost, which is either fuel related or spark. I think it's spark. Now it hasn't been, the engine was fine before and I haven't run it for 2 years. So I'm going to take the plugs out, clean and dizzy up and just make sure everything looks okay. Hopefully it's a bit of damp or something in there that's causing a problem. The other issue is I'm struggling to get it in second gear or fourth gear under load. Normally it goes in. One of the outer cables is stretching slightly. It's moving where I've crimped it. So I need to try and look at that, see if I can sort it. But we did just launch it in first gear then. And oh my God, it's quick. Like I can't describe how much quicker it was than what it used to be when it was two-wheel drive. So yeah, absolutely stoked, really, really happy. I just need to get it in second gear and get it to rev out properly. And I think we are nearly certainly going to beat my personal best then. So let's whip the spark plugs out and see if we can find anything wrong. Now, obviously, I came here to test the four-wheel drive system. The car's always had a good engine, never had any engine problems before, and I've always serviced it and maintained it really well. So what I wasn't expecting to have was a misfire. Right, confession to make, my spark plugs are very rusty. I'm a little bit embarrassed. Now, bear in mind, I did say it ran okay last time I used it. I think I washed it before I put it away, and as you can probably see from there, they're very rusty. So I'd imagine that's probably my issue. Yeah, it is what it is. So I'm going to clean them up because I didn't bring spares because I didn't have an engine problem. I wanted to test the transmission. Didn't think to bring spares, did I? So yeah, I'm going to clean them up and hopefully that'll make it better. At this point, morale was pretty low. I felt a right idiot and I felt like I wasted a day and we probably wouldn't get anywhere. But luckily for me, my fortune was about to change. So, because I didn't think there's anything wrong with the engine, I didn't bring any engine spares. But my faith in humanity has been restored. Some lovely gentlemen just came over to me and they've given me some HC leads free of charge, as well as 2 sets of spark plugs. They said, we've heard you got a misfire, we've come to help you. Absolute gents, can't thank them enough. So thank you very much, guys. So I'm now going to fit these. I'm going to try and set the gear cable up a bit better and then go for another run. Buzzing. So please excuse the audio quality. It was incredibly windy at this point. I just wanted to show my emotion in the video. And I wanted to give out a massive thanks to Aaron and his mates for helping me out. They really did save the day. Right, so we're back in the car. Transmission's working good. I've re-crimped the cable a little bit and had a bit of a play. And the engine's running spot on now. So massive thanks to Aaron and his mates who helped me out big time. Right, I'm now going to go by myself, because last time it hooked up so well, I feel like I could beat my personal best from when it was a two-wheel drive car. So I feel like everything's right now. I feel like the engine's running fine. The gear lever seems to be working spot on. So fingers crossed when I get into the 11th. My personal best in a 12.3 seconds. So I'm just going to go to the line and absolutely send it. See what it does. I do know it hooks up really well, so I'm quietly confident I can do this. If I get a good run, I reckon I'll beat it. So just waiting in the station lane, and hopefully we'll be going soon. Wish me luck. Nova. Nova V Nova, right? You can see that. That's minute 3. I think it's about 450 horsepower, maybe wrong. 2-litre turbo. Should be a very quick car. It's got some nice stuff on it. Big slick wheels. Yeah, looks a very capable car. That was a really good run. I'm really happy with that. Wow! Got a little bit of a bulk, other than that, it was mint. Absolutely mint. Wow! So, my wife's in the car. Say hello, Zoe.
Hiya.
This is the first time she's been in the car for a very long time now.
Yeah.
She's not a massive fan of fast cars, but you do like them a bit, so this might terrify her, we'll see.
Yeah, ready to terrify me.
Still not revving out properly, it's bogging down between gear changes, top end, and I've no idea why. It's never done this before, but other than that, it's
God,
very
that's
quick.
loud.
Sorry?
That's so loud.
I know. I can't even make it go quiet. Now the track was very busy, there were some really quick cars doing some good times, but unfortunately a few cars did break, meaning the guys at the track had to work really hard to get it all clean for us and make it nice and safe. But we sat waiting patiently, and before we knew it, was back on track, ready to go. Right, we're back in. We keep getting like an ignition cut or something. The first gear keeps bogging down, but then it's fine. So that's one problem, and it's stopping us from getting our personal best because it's really slowing the car down. But other than that, she's running absolutely great. Drives really nice. No vibrations or nasty noises from the rear prop or diff or anything like that. So banging. So we're going to go for another go. Again, not here to beat our best time, but if we do, fantastic. Now that was a good race. I changed a little bit short of where it was cutting out and it just shifted really nice, and we pretty much stayed neck and neck with the Turbo Metro the whole way down. We both loved it and it was a proper buzz. So I think this would have been the best run of the day, but for some reason I've backed off way before the finishing line. I have no idea why, but hey ho, that's racing. So I've achieved what I've set out to achieve basically. I've come here to enjoy myself and make sure the car drives nicely before I restore it, and it does. So we're going to have one more go. I don't think I'm going to beat my personal best, but let's have another go by myself and see what I can do. I've learned a couple of things about it, so yeah. fingers crossed, wish me luck. I don't know if you can see this camper next to me, but this is Phil. It's got a 3-litre V6 Amiga engine in the back of a camper. It's doing about 13.7 quarters, 13.4 I think it's done. Going really well. It's pretty awesome, sounds good. Really nice guy as well, so yeah. Wish more luck. He wants to get a bit more power out of it soon, but it's 260 horsepower in a minute, so pretty cool to be fair. I like stuff like that, it's a bit different. So it looks like I'm going to be racing against him. So let's see what we can do. So this is it, last chance of the day to beat my personal best. Can I do it? So that definitely felt the fastest run, and it was. I also got a new personal best 60-foot time, which was 0.2 of a second faster than before, which is quite a lot. My 0 to 60 time and 0 to 100 time were exactly the same as before, and bearing in mind this engine isn't revving properly, and it's definitely down on power. We're also running tread tyres, not slicks, so there's definitely improvements to be made. I'm overjoyed, and the 4-wheel drive system is working perfectly. I've never known a Nova grip so well. Well guys, that was a really good run. Like I say, it's not quite running 100%, but it's still a very quick car. Awesome. Oh God, this is so addictive. This is so addictive. I hope it comes across on camera, but I am very happy at this point. Right, so we've come to Santa Pod. We've had, I think, 6 runs. We've had ups and downs. We've had some amazing moments today, if I'm going to be completely honest. It's getting me a little bit emotional. We had Aaron and his friends early, came over, helped us out massively by giving us the spark plugs and the HT leads. I'm never going to make that mistake again. I'll always bring some spares like that. We've had some amazing launches. I'm absolutely over the moon with how well it goes. I don't think it wheel spins at all. I could be wrong, but it just seems to go. And this is with tread tyres. I didn't even need to put the slicks on. So what can I say? I am over the moon with the car. Yeah, we're going to take it back. We're going to fit air conditioning. We're going to fit a bigger turbo. We're going to make this a Nova you guys have probably never seen before. It's going to be awesome, and it's still going to look relatively standard when I'm done. So if you guys have enjoyed the video, yeah, this is the end of the series for now. Please show support by hitting the subscribe button, liking the video, and leaving a comment below, guys. Stay tuned for more. We'll be doing some more on this car soon. We're going to be putting a bigger turbo on it, and we're also going to be doing a Z-Let conversion for a friend. So if that kind of thing interests you, make sure to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more. See you later, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.